Hello. I believe that people should go outside more. So, very important. I live in a place called Michigan. It's very snowy right now because it's wintertime. But I still make it a priority to be able to go and to walk around the city at least once a day, or at least, 6 times out of the week. So, there's some days where I don't go. But, for the most part, I go outside. The reason why is because it's great to be outside in that air, around nature, seeing different birds, seeing just cars, just hearing different sound, and actually being around people. That's very important because oftentimes, as a home based or an office based entrepreneur, I am always in front of my computer. So I need to be able to get that real life stimulation, and that's what that allows me to be able to do. If you want to learn how to grow your business faster and reach your goals, and actually reach them, not just have goals, but actually reach them, go join my group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. There's a link in the description below. Have a great day, talk to you soon, and see you later.